Benji having a drink. No. Look, this computer, what we're building in the kitchen, it's got some fans on the bottom and some fans on the side, and it's going to be a bracket so the GPU will go vertically there and then have an extension cable. Take me the motherboard that rides in this carriage here. I've moved to the lowest possible part to make the room on the top for a radiator that's got push-pull, so it's got 3 radiators gasketed on to 3 iron fans gasketed on to this 45mm thick radiator, and then it's all there's gappage on there, so that's the start. And then next thing I'm going to put a power supply back here, and I've put on a independent fan computer, so I think if I get a power supply going from the start, get it on there, and then that's all multiplexed out through on a sort of a 1-to-many on the fan doodah, so it can run banks of fans. So but it's got independent control of the different banks according to the temperature sensors, which we'll put on later. So yeah, that's fun.